Hi, I'm Dan from Grillstream, and today I'm going to show you how to fit the back panel to your Grillstream Classic gas barbecue. So now we've got the side panels in place, it's time to install the back panel. For this we're going to need the Phillips screwdriver and also your bolt pack. Now we're going to use 4 of the Type B bolts for this stage. The first step of which, we'll just need 2 of them. And we're going to part screw them into the side panels into the gold coloured captive nuts. Okay, now we're going to take the back panel. So to note which is the top and the bottom has the 2 holes which we're going to screw the screws into later, and the top has a lip on it. So you've also got the side holes which we're going to pass the bolt through and then slide up. There we go, so that's slid into place. Now we're going to take the other 2 bolts and we're going to screw them into the base panel. So there's one. And there's the other. So now we just need to tighten up the side bolts. And there we go, the back panel's installed.